Hello everybody, welcome to DIY Sewing with Simply Ola. My name is Olaitan Ogala and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a continuation of our last video where I show you how you can DIY pattern from your t-shirt. Last one we DIY the pattern, we cut the materials. Today we will be going through the sewing process, and without wasting much of your time, if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful t-shirt from my t-shirt pattern, stay tuned. Right, what I did here was I placed the materials front side to front side. I placed it together and I went ahead to cut another materials 2 inches or 3 depending on you. If you want your neck to be wide, you can increase the length, but here I used 2 inches and I folded it into 2 and I ironed it. Then I went ahead to place it around the neck of the materials. Make sure you cut something that can go around the neck, and I pinned it down so that it will stay in place when I want to sew it. I make sure I pin it neatly. I'm just trying to show you what I did there. I practically just put the materials inside the folded hem and I pinned it down. Make sure you place it inside properly so that you don't miss any when you are sewing it. After that, I just take it to the machine and I sewed it together. While sewing it, make sure you take your time. Make sure you place the materials inside very well so that you don't miss it. Just make sure you do this part slowly in order for you to get a perfect finish. Here I'm just trying to do the back. I did the first neck first, then I went ahead to do the same thing to the back neck. Then after that I went ahead to place the 2 shoulders together. I placed it together. Both sides was placed together. You can pin it, but because it's not something that is very long, so I decided just to went ahead and place it on the machine like that. But you can pin it down if you're not too confident in doing it this way. And after that, just make sure you sew it. Take your time in doing this. You can use straight stitch and you can use zigzag. For this video, I use zigzag just for me to have that perfect finish. I went ahead here to do the second shoulder, so I'm just trying to perfect everything. Then after joining the two shoulders together, I went ahead to give it a good ironing. Make sure you iron it out. So I try to iron everything, making sure it's nice and neat and flat. Then after that, I bring the two sides together and I sew it down. You can use straight stitch here or you can use zigzag. For the sake of this video, I use zigzag, or you can also use straight stitch. After joining the two sides together, I went ahead to fold the sleeve. You know, the edge of the sleeve was folded in and I ironed it, and I try to align it together and I take it to the machine to sew. I did the same thing for the second sleeve. Then after doing that, I opened the armhole of the body of the t-shirt. The t-shirt is turned to the back while the sleeve is turned to the front, and I put it inside the armhole. Then I try to align the joining parts together. Make sure you do that side very well, and I went ahead to pin it. You can pin it and you can go ahead and sew it like that. Just make sure it's properly aligned together. Then I was just trying to trim out the excess, and that's it. I just went ahead to do the bottom side of it, and that's it. If you like to see the part 1 of this video, check out the link below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share the video. And that's the finished look of the t-shirt. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye for now.